Hello friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account on Android phone. For creating Gmail account, open your phone settings first. Now here there is an section cloud and accounts, tap on it. And here tap on account option. As you can see here we got the option add account, tap on it. We want to create here Gmail account, so tap on Google. Apply your screen lock if you have. And it will redirect you to Google sign up account page. Now here is an option create account, so tap on create account. Now here I will choose first option for myself. And here you can choose Google account name. After typing your first and second name, tap on next. Now here enter your date of birth. After adding your date of birth, tap on gender. And here select your gender. Now tap on next. And here given suggestion by Google. So choose the name what you like and tap on next. Now enter your password here and tap on next. You can skip this option. Now tap on I agree. And here your Gmail account is successfully created. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.